shorter words. DJ
Yes, sir, director.
Where's just a baby ship? And then you know, bros.
Oh.
You become a matcha angel at Tiffany, and I saw so Acha Angela or more, and we're saying, Beer, operations director, Abu Bosia, not just a young Musupa. The trip into which Nasa Okasa. The slogan, a local experience. Just a baby, I walk, I fed this source, and crime, whatever I walk, that fed this soul, mustn't bottom my war, you fed this soul. Say, Tamalina walk, or gap, the beer fed this soul as a local experience, not any global impact, social, digital space, not a focus on your campus. Just a Angel Broadcasting Network. Nango Pound number penny puncher for a friend of Dr. Cocotin. And the Abado Kunson, and I tribute. Just the word, now, Smart Master.
Yes, sir.
Mamma Casano and Wabi. Because in some marketing every. Now, Abrofu Assembly almost say silence is good.
That's right.
Now, sometimes also silence is very loud. So, Brown. You know what this shit mean? Then your mama here. So we go interview. You now say.
Remember.
We interview now. Someone can TV. They say what was it? But you have one.
The sofa. I'm going to be myself.
And then me down. It's what I said. You must ID. There is a book of TV.
That's right.
Now. Meaning, say, idea SCA divine.
That's sure.
You say, Yasama catch it. Munana said, I was pulling in any of the Mokuni Angel Group, Angel Broadcasting Network, many in let how much is so far. And then our president and founder, I had Dr. Cocotin, I catch him so how much. Now, I did back on some of the person, Miss Arkan said, and if you say, I can pack us.
Exactly.
So, Papa, I have pump one, and the other 102.9. And now, the lives of Captain Smart, Obama, DJ Willie,
Queen.
And then he has to be on the Pure Morning Drive.
Bababi Druha.
Jai Ababi Druha. I hear honorable panel.
And Chobeye MC.
Lovely.
Because those shared media empire upon a chico. One thing I want to assure and ask the person the cat will be our tea and can and now will be our share in Libya said. Who are the other person born on the ground? Men found what said the smart kind of say as a light. Radio in there, what Ghana, this is far quality.
A radio university.
Yes, you are not you.
And to the best, I come and say, and move beyond Wada. Who will be being up as a woman with Fabra? You will be a friend of network. We'll put you on the network scheme. That is a bow one kind of baby. That's right. To be a will be a person who will be a child. The numbers in the way to be a more fret will be a family. Now, I gave our consul, I Mr. Acknowledges the president and founder of the Lines. I Dr. Cocotin. Papa, baby, I will be a so someone else will be shown country. Say, the sooner I open the beer, and then so opens out self.
That's right.
Now, it's me secretary because Ghana. Oh, my God. Now, I didn't so why yet analysis of my hand. I just said, Doctor was studying for quality. And then my mama said, Yana, we're 14 said, unity palm. I said, yeah, man, an award for quality. Because, sorry, Nipa, what count more who we are. You don't stand for quality, you can't do that.
Exactly.
And you know, maybe I will be a papa. Yanko Pon shout.
Amen.
Yanko Pon, one thing,
Amen.
Maybe I will do Sabekiano. ɛnyɛ nhyirama no mo so
Amen.
wone nipa aduasa ɛpa adeɛ a nyɛgye wo nyinaa
Amen.
because aso na wokum no wɔkuma the lives of angel so wohwɛ angel dwumakuo no a mɛgye mo berɛ ne kakra mabobɔ so
Yɛbɛkɔ
yɛwɔ angel herbal product
Angel Herbal Products,
yɛwɔ angel educational complex
Angel Educational
yɛwɔ
Complex,
angel transport and trading
Angel Transport and
yɛwɔ
Trading,
angel genuine minerals
Angel
yɛwɔ
Genuine
royal
Minerals,
gold mine
Royal Gold Mine.
yɛwɔ angel natural mineral water
Ah, yes.
yɛwɔ adonko company limited na adonko ho nkoma no koraa no sɛ ɔhwɛ nneɔma ɛhyɛ adonko no ase a yɛwɔ adonko original senior man yɛwɔ adonko 123 yɛwɔ adonko atadwe yɛwɔ adonko original hand sanitizer
So for her.
na ɛno akyi no yɛsaa wɔ next level
Next level,
Next
the
level.
okay. So for ten.
sɛ next level no ka dɛ smart wonni mu akorɔ
Oh, I know the some are catch us but the wine glasses is here.
It's okay.
If you in so good, near the next level, like a crowd.
na deɛ wɔm sɛ energy drinks a ɛwɔ edwa so nyinaa maame ne ɛwɔ energy drinks a wɔdwa so nyinaa bi wɔ yɛ premium to sɛ next level nti there's we are not in dispute say doctor or standing for quality next level pɛ ana yɛyɛ ne Germany abɔnten so yɛwɔ yɛ filling line ne yɛdi bia wɔ hɔ a yɛyɛ no premium ne yɛde brɛ Ghana fo obiara a wonya next level biara kɔ ɔyɛ bi akyerɛ akwan na ka bihwɛ na ka bihwɛ a wasama yɛ ho
You to your boss. Say yes, one banana in the hand and the name of good plane in Ghana, Germany. And you to your boss. Eddie Branning Hahana ye. Next level, I say for Germany. As I bro Ghana. And saying young Crophobidia now, no my baby, no, you will check. Yes, no mamma. This is your no to the
it's a big complex no so energy drinks na we just need be me bi adin ebi won ma so biting ebi won nipa na biting no we there it goes down just a goes smooth
Our very soothing taste. Very liquidized.
and it's my LPM maybe smart na say I'm back to the lunch here it will be just perform ni ebi bia omo etie yen omo hwe yen the person catch am say nyai we are pushing to the limit. We are pushing till we touch it. Idea ABN standing for as local experience and global standards. No? That is our prime area for aquaculture. Meda Ubias, Meda Angel Group, Edma Coding in us, that are president and founders, that are ABN said, my first said, that T4, that for it will be us. We will give you nothing but the best in terms of in a TV in fear dear for Angel Broadcasting. Ya pass here some elections. Yeah, what's the soon? Yeah, never information in Zimna.
Whoa.
Amen.
Wow.
Kofi Ben announced numbers na yɛde bɛyɛ adwuma no nti bia wo baabi na wohu saa numbers na wohu sɛ yɛ Angel 102.9 telephone numbers yɛde bɛyɛ adwuma office landlines na bɛwɔ hɔ na afei general manager so announce the marketing department numbers no so ɛde ama yi so
Abuja baby a wutie bia no edu baby a asɛm bi tumi si ɛwɔ mpatamu na ohia sɛ obɛma yaso ate sɛ abɔfoɔ wo hwɛ abɔfoɔ adwuma no a yɛ soma korɔ soma yɛn deɛ ɛbɛyɛ no no wo deɛ frɛ yɛn kɛkɛ soma yɛn sɛ yɛasi wɔ ha di ɛnura me wɔ hɔ a na obi frɛ yɛ sɛ aberanteɛ bi efiri Cote d'Ivoire na wanante a atwa hyɛ na bɛdu Ghana oduriya ne yɛfrɛ COVID-19 team so ɔmmra 5 hours wo munya mu hɔ na wɔn mo afrɛ sɛ nti wɔn nyɛ ne den COVID-19 team no koduru hɔ a wɔn nso sɛ okay yɛ take sample na aberante yɛfa no kɔtena fie na yɛkɔyɛ test ne wie na yɛba a yɛhwɛ sɛ ɔyɛ positive anaasɛ ɛna ɔsɛ na wei meyɛ ne den hɔ a na ɔfrɛ na meso abɔfoɔ yɛbɛdi ho dwuma de ama ɛna yɛyɛ calls straight away na biribi asi. That is what we are here to do, result oriented. Bibia yɛbɛdi akyire kɔpem sɛ yɛbɛduru aseɛ koraa enti sɛ wɔ fie na wotie yɛn na wɔ haw bi wɔ hu adeɛ bi a ɛrekɔ so wɔ bea bi bɔmmɔden na frɛ saa numbers yi ɛyɛ 0302 440 166 mesensi so bio 0302 440-166. And I also last number 167. So I remember. And 166 and I said 167. The same number, no, nobody encomo. But me and friend newsroom also direct. And no, about 0302 440-168. 0302 440-168. Fraying. Na suma wabofwe na yenye adwuma no emfa emao sanso na your social media handles no obetumi atie yen ewo ni nyina efobri bia yen program no sabre ya ye ka say oko Angel 102.9 FM ewo Facebook live ewo ho man for them comments eba edu ba bia mu hunu sin to bia no yi asochi enam si yeso mo ntino de mo pene ye be ye de amamo na yetumi aye ne sa pepepe e de amamo sanso ena we no ye kind of Twitter but if you kind of Twitter I said you be kind of bia anoman ne gina ho okwa and also Angel FM Accra until wait me at Twitter at Angel FM Accra Instagram e manager boss 20 minutes say man wo ho pa honso ye de toamo e wo ho and also Angel 102.9 FM Angel 102.9 FM ubetumi akọ YouTube and so na wahwe yen live e wo ho na wahwe yen content ahodo nyina and also ye Angel Online and your YouTube channel no and now call Angel FM Online gh.com Angel FM Online gh.com and no any website your stories breaking stories ni no solid team ebe update you every minute na wetumi akenkan ensem no ebi e wo ho ubetumi wo ho the anim say stations ni bi wo ho a mutie wo tuning kra munya challenge kakra countries ni bi UK for instance abane some radio stations e wo UK and you know say wo tie yan ana wo hwen wo UK stations ni bi okọ tuning na wontumi enya memobody but main giants ni na okọ tuning sisi a wontumi entie bia de ne da so active e wo ho at the same time okọ kra na wenya yan social media handle ya basi ba besom and you know Angel bia multi TV box no so kra okọ so a ye wo so obetumi assign etie yen e wo ho we are all over bia na wetumi adwane na wetie yen e wo ho
Kofi me da say ya sofo no bi adaji sakakra Minister Pastor Kofi Atakra we are feeling apostle true the person of the share pine papa ya damase yame nshiramo One country will be say Angel and Yaba above for no
Radio Garden application via I know home map this Woodrow country via na Odonsa Efa country map a among radio stations are a walk sa country then you know through Ghana now Kwekabos and not a zooming Ghana map now so green be I want to make sure your location and La Paz near and to be able to make sure so just type in Angel 102 FM who won't say a abati that same app Radio Garden when you say someone for you super or you share a year Angel I was one who bet me any I was so now which you about what year
I don't see you was a man in part 3 4 5 inch nose mask in the Biaba to with me Asher nose mask in the Biama said the way that we are between Akudi da Pacho cameraman will be papa one more comfortable what are you doing okay now what about your studio ha your microphones in your room Yensi a year in Luminous, yes, you did a JESUS. Aha, you are 3 years and your network here. Now, I did as I was sharing so my and say, yeah, your studio, Hano. Young Papa, we are. Then someone can I come home, a general manager, and the 2 the better. Yeah, Papa, Prophet Amwako Atta, or no, and a year, the founder of the Lord's Parliament Chapel. As well as in the country, the only church I want a speaker or no to me casa. men yameti. We are saying we know. Sir, we need come up for what's the way ya. Parliament, I walk Ghana, hey. Mimity, Menkasama, no, Captain near the Privileges Committee for me actually, you call the speaker, but can be an Bayadman. So you need a speaker to speak, to direct affairs for you. It's a pay your prophet Amakwata Waha. Or the embedding come now, what can Yamitrim and a buy the power of angels? Over to you, Dad.
When Captain Castano, when you're talking about when you're talking about angels, was activating the atmosphere. Angels at the atmosphere and the year. It's more for any kind of you know, once not unless worship the power of angels. Now on your buff one or heaven. Now on your buff one we activate the presence of Elohim and the power of God. Let us. Then go. Alice.
That's right. Papa headphone.
Dedicate Captain Emma, Dr. Agosio, and your Juma, what you mean. We see a father, captain. Watch this.
I'm watching. I'm watching.
A father is somebody who is born to gather heroes.
That's right.
Say, Obi wo ho na on too many heroes on tena.
On your father.
Your father.
Wow.
Because father no earth is the foundation. Ain't no ability to accommodate. Because a nipa ne hero no no suban earth. And if you are not father, what me accommodate a nipa te say ofia no ma. Nipa te say captain. What then na you na nipa.
The day na
what then na you na nipa. It is any pan if you are not father. What do you handle? Can you imagine? If you're not father, or nipa, or kaka say what we ask me, I saw him. What you know, what tell them and you know. How can you accommodate such a person? Can you imagine? Just when your father. As a circus, you are thing. Now, what do me accommodate? I just so you are I adopt. Said you'll be a soon in the bind here. I was so to me adopt. Now to me adjust so that you can stay with heroes.
That's right.
If your father now you're better so said your papa your friend or cancer metamati. Every father is a teacher, is a trainer. Enti me come siasem so enti father be your teacher or your trainer said you be adwuma no abekọ nanim a enyina fa na ba 18 so every father is a healer. And yes, your father depend adwuma bi am afa na jojo na tiate no be hanwa tie what you solve.
A father is a healer.
It's a healer. Ability to hear. And you pan almost what they are going through.
A father. A father. Wow. I'm watching it.
Watch. Then never back let you know. What do you say? Every father must be able to educate and energize.
And to one educate me, Keke.
David,
and so I say energize me.
My son, David, tell one you pen a captain and say, and the coffee man said, what friend about that? You energize the person. Say, man is born to make a mistake.
Thank you.
The person man gonna tears as a captain. Coffee without mistake, you pay me. What do you mean that? And the leader who has never made a mistake is immature. And he experience.
Hey.
Yes. Mistake is a teacher for you to grow. And the captain mistake of mistake. What you officer I can't on. You call the person, you educate him, you energize him, and you have to when you
Baba, work it. You are working it.
watch this.
I'm watching it. I'm watching it.
Then the last letter R. Revelational Father. And one thing captain.
Yes, Papa.
Bible and some can see you know. Bible says where there's no vision, the people are perished. And you're not correct. Yeah, watch this. Originally say where there's no vision, the people are cut off.
They are cut off.
They
are cut off.
Can you imagine say Dr. B are doing so when your vision say light get to me off. Now I'm told is the generation light of says man
I cut you off.
They die here you know behind.
They buy us one so siso.
Until the net and you use
and you see your son siso can.
It's where call you know where
siso.
What do you say? It's Bible I don't know where there's no vision.
The people are cut.
The nation is cut off. And now the other powerful one, I say lack of knowledge. One can say lack of Satan. One can say lack of corona. But lack of knowledge. Knowledge is KNOWLEDGY. Any leader, any father who have a knowledge, God has given you ability to live your age.
Any father.
Any father who has revelation, that is letter I don't know.
Father, you have revelation.
God have given you ability to live your age. Knowledge have given you ability to lead the age. Knowledge.
No. Papa, where's one go school down?
Uncle school.
Uncle school down. Uncle school down. Uncle school down.
Uncle school down.
Plane the nation from Olivia, but it's on a pen.
Now watch it. What is crime?
Papa, I'm watching it.
Tell me, I'm going to have you. And then I'm going to find the fatherhood in the Bible. Young baby, I understand from Genesis near Revelation. Genesis chapter 18. Verses 20 to Asama, when I make it. Oh, people say, I could do this. I didn't know Kofi, I didn't know Captain Mahua, Nanaya, hey. I didn't know Ohima, Iron Lady. Obama,
DJ Willie.
Yeah, good one. Amen. Amen. Revelation Genesis chapter 18.
Genesis 18 verses 20.
And this Obi will clothing, Obi will comprehend the beam. Now Obi will fear beam. Now some way, one far one mobile. Tiasama Yameka.
Osina Erade can say.
I know that they can say.
Sodom, any Gomorrah, and Tiamu Esu.
I said Diana.
One Tiamu Esu.
I said Diana.
One Tiamu
Eti Katia. Yawo Kurobi wa Kofi. Yawo Abusia bi wa Yawo company bi wa. Now workers not starting happening. Workers not starting happening. But who am I? No, I'm a few almost. But in what delay? They are crying. So when you make it to Abraham say, Kuro we, company we, and you pay a woman, or Musu or Muyam, or Muntumenka. It may smile before Momakure. Say, I didn't air Cosono, a Yandokurana. And God sent the two angels to Sodom and Gomorrah. About what you do, Sodom and Gomorrah. I don't want a book no son. I read.
About what you do,
About what you do, Hono. Now I don't want a book no son.
now read.
Empty chapter 19. About what the cat in a lot to say. Kuro empty and what do you mean? I don't see Yamana. You buy you know or do a book with you. I saw it. Empty Gananajo Krango. Watch this. Genesis
19 verses 17.
Genesis 19:17.
Was now one free a deal.
But do one for the Lord to free a deal.
What can I say? Johnny.
Or said Diana.
Johnny.
Or said Diana.
Johnny.
And the Kurobia compared the Biara. I confess, situation baby, I will be a who's a Dumasano. When number 4 about the country was say.
Run away.
For that's the who's I was it. Miss baby, I was having a captain. Say, I'm at the one. Now, do my one is sorry. I'll do my what was on the sun. When I met about the country that was said. Yadiana, Johnny, not your crango. Of course, or do my whole son. Just all start our flesh. What do you say? Because Ephesians chapter 2 verse 8.
Ephesians chapter 2
verse
number 8. Also na adumna ordinam gidie so agemon kwa.
Because odum and ordinam gidie so.
Emfiri mu a.
Okay, mama kan say Nyankopon. Eti wo hye baabi na emfa ho gidie a wo ewo adwuma nu se odum eso to a wo ne nkwa. Just hold on. Hey. The captain says, and found it did ya womb. sɛ ɔdom ɛsɔɔto a wode deɛ
Woni nkwa.
ɔne nkwa nti ɔbɔfoɔ no ka kyerɛ m sɛ kuro wei ɔdom a ɛwɔ mu
Asa.
ɛno nti na yɛatake over no nti sɛ mopɛ sɛ monya nkwa a dwane na gye wo kra enti sɛ ne yɛhu sɛ tim wɔ mu wɔ ha it's nothing but you are escaping from your future.
This man. You this man.
Revelation.
You this man.
And I'm kind
Bible na kai.
Bible na kind.
Chiro.
Ya chiro. Obafuo na di won Fred no tutugu na so say you take over because the grace upon this city, upon this area, upon this company. Asa, nti you take over. Nti nyame do nti dwane. We dwane so a ko ba bia abofo wo ma boa wo. Ba bia odum ni no, obofo na ye adwuma.
Baby odum ni ho no.
Baby odum ni ho no.
Abofo na ye adwuma.
Abofo na ye adwuma. Enti hwe Exodus.
Papa, I am watching, don't worry.
Oh, you are watching.
I am watching.
Watching. Exodus chapter 14.
Exodus chapter 14, verse number 19.
And
Onyankopɔn bɔfoɔ a odi Israel dɔm anim no.
our punum no, a punum since obudo ya captain. Now a dom na shorto, now for Pharaoh and the dom, a chase woman. Bible said, Kofi Adumei, Onyame bɔfoɔ baako pɛ, and I know only nipa 3 million. A chance you know.
One angel
was leading the entire nation. That is the power of angel for you.
That's right.
Can you imagine?
And we are here to lead.
You are here to lead. 32. And the idea here. Ghana, radio benya, voice benya. Here. You bet you can't obi na abu awu ya obi. Asama kan yam dey say yeah. What you say? Eti obofo de di on kan no say no. O ma short to grace e wa akiri. Anytime the grace is short, the enemy will be able to chase. Pharaoh etimia enter because adom e wa akiri na short. Eti also obofo ni free wo mani.
No bet you want. Wow. That's right. That's right. That is the man working. Papa, what?
Adom saya na obofo api. Wa nyanyansa nso be fa.
So be foul.
Can I go deeper?
Go deeper.
Captain, me see me nipa o ma bam officer. Amanfo a o manya yade bia hard o ma yade no ma nya bi. Why? Because they were moving with angels and it was not their mistake. Kofi Aduma se won se dey wuti me brei. O ka se nya abofo na ka ho a. Yeah. Wait, why you won't say you be because I never won some. What do you say? But so only a buff one namwa. Only a buff one nam. Then Nipan will be a buff one body kind as so and so. Nipan not in the best or child. No, I see a buff one. No, I skip. Now walk on. It will throw and soon the Bible said, now a buff one hour decline. If he on the 3rd June. Me bad me fa afidikasi so catch on my Ghana say if you na kopim say you beto aba say you betie angel FM dia and tokra ba onya ne bofo dia Captain obi kan Bible say onyame mai e me kan che nipa say peace da you abeti peace no bofo na de ba eti asomdwe abofo na de ba Above one of the assumption. It's above what the kind of sang over the omachi. Above one, I didn't why the power to say.
Was the Emma ever for Odi a dominum? I chain a ebedi one.
Oh, she and Hobety omachi.
Mununkum dumuno.
I said, Mununkum. I said, Mununkum. It is a windy hack of Yaduma and Name crowd or Catamoson a few because above 4 women are that. But we don't have a protection. Oh, yeah. Money without protection. For example, getting alcohol. Then you have to run for your life. Because above for now the draw. Above for the draw, yeah, the crowd, the covenant, the presence, how the draw. Can you imagine? And I'm looking at so red drawing. And the Cosio much said the Abaya, weighing intimate Mary, and the winning at me move forward. With the Intiana me, am I Yalanche? This particular radio I want Ghana. Say in the midst of this colonial pandemic, this demonic forces, said the Abaya Yamia before that me take it over. Jesus. Nanyame before take it over, we are. When Yame presence said to me cover. Every present day, as long as the voice is coming through, angel and Accra, angel Kumasi, angel Tekima, angel Brahavono, no devil. That is the power of angel. That is the power of angel. Exodus 23. Exodus 23.
Exodus 23, 20 to 22.
What will you do? Promise and I said, I'm a share. I said, share.
Men small above for Edwin.
Also, Osmaya. Also, Osmaya. From Sunday, 3rd June, I could put something to 33rd June. Ghana, near Lashon, dear Namesoma. And yet, is not easy.
And you want to say, Kofi and Makoda, also the Oba say, young 1st June. Messi there be me pay July. Kofi there, see there be. Only see you, Bronzy, woman come with you, woman say Wumpo. I dare not see 1st June.
Luke chapter 1, verses 26.
Luke 1:26.
What's in a Bosumia? Now for Sumia, doesn't see
a small above for Gabriel.
And this more for us to go July. You have missed the visitation, divine visitation of angels. And why if you are now and your struggle is a divine visitation. And that is why I am not president to say the end without the church, angels are not easy to be activated.
That's right. Wow.
At the moment that Sunday you be at work, angels are in duty.
Yes, sir.
That's right.
Kofi Nyamishra.
Amen.
But some are just
Yes, sir.
I prophesy upon this channel, upon this channel, upon this channel, upon this channel, upon this channel. Say if by Dr. Kosi upon and in the Jesus. May you have a divine visitation. Amen. A divine visitation. Amen. A divine visitation.
Everything is possible. Everything is possible. Possible.
Because of and their power to activate.
Jesus.
Acts chapter 12.
Acts chapter 12, the verse number 7.
Above anybody number.
That's in the chair.
Share.
And running for Ebedina in chair.
I know that Herod. But man, but you are
what's in a sabre here?
I can't was in there. Corona Blessona.
I know in Herod.
I know in Herod.
A tenant,
I just see a night of the Sunday night upon the path. To be a tenant. I want to hear you say, may you be a tenant. To be a tenant. When I never found country. Na sabra noa ayo subeja tuma Herod wa tenency o da ya de o ba be ko tia o be no confusion I command and I demand say sabra ya and yes ya tita na ya activate the presence of the angel sabra ya yes sufram wa sabra ya the scientific solution angel have to be activated.
Amen. Hey.
My goodness.
Sabre. Now, Herod on fire. Herod the Agrippa. Your mammy, a friend Willis. The name I'm in a tune for body. That can one sack, not call man. na ko ye wo ayaka yaka de so obi ti ba bi say
Jesus.
obi ayaka yaka de enshira kenya mesa the presence of angels
Jesus
will be activated.
Amen.
Na ochi Peter ko to afiase na Bible say asɔre ne bɔ mpa ya bi asɔre no ra asɔre ne bɔ mpa as long as asɔre ne bɔ mpa even go fit for pray na asɔre dem the angels will be there.
That's right.
The angels no ha na omu tie mpa no the mpa ne dey.
That's right.
I was saying na me bɔfo be gyina ne nkyɛn
Ɔsɛ na ɛdɛm hɔ ɛsrɛn.
ɔsena dia yin
Ɛdɛm hɔ ɛsrɛn.
captain be so ka bi di hɔ ɔsena ya
Ɛdan no mu ɛsrɛn.
asansa te me person ka
Ɔsɛ na hwɛ. Awurade bɔfoɔ ɛbɛgyina ne nkyɛn.
eti esi ya na from 5 a.m. kwapem samu be pon obi o be tina ko na we so captain mame phone call what can say me send o audio
Where are you from?
me wi ase na ante ka me wa sa na so
Right side now.
oh I see oh revelation na start abran to you me kan sam chema me muda
Oh.
what's that we o di for now so be ya enya kwa we so dan man yam kra wankata ne me da wasa na so na na captain be ya duma bi upon 10 pe ene nyame go for 10 kase ana na konya captain teso ahemfo konya wotena so wale se da de me no ko eno e pure go se na eno na captain teso ye aduma bi ana obofo ne pagi akonya eno de man police no fia bi minimum ni honi da ana busa ayisa na police ne fia se je obega tinya ko me ana so no odi nachi onfa nkosi ka no djuma ba bi ye eti okofa silver chair and what do we see?
2018.
And I hear voice me at the man say, hey, captain, well, come here, what is your good? But you pay that. You pay that. Eti, Kawakuma etuya. Na ya pay down. Se ebrano swan. Baby, I hear Kunyana Cosino. Who are going to and I hear voice me. And I'm there, captain, 2018. Say, tell me so baby, I'm going for the pega a kunyano. Baby, I don't go and tell me. Now, Satan, the super. Or Buffalo, baby, I don't kunyano see him. Or the more competence. And it's not cancer for that. Jesus. Above for the pega kunyano. But you're above Fukuru.
Above one of Facunyano.
But you're above Fukuru. I said, let you come. If you are net, then I'm going to ask for Jesus. How can I have Jesus? When you put your better now to begin anything. What's that? Near the can, near my so you are bomb, penny the can. Or what from the hand, a bad baby, and that is soon. It is not a soon. Corona Swaka Tower, my son, and now you're launching the angels. Every deck is covering this nation. 4 corners of this nation. Kofi have been lifted. Amen. Or the hand and the by young coffee.
Ɔsɛ na ɔbɔfoɔ no ɛbɔ petro nkyɛn mu ɛnyane no sɛ
ɛna ɔbɔfoɔ no de ne nsa kaa petro eti efie ne kwa ɛka tere yi ɛni na maa mɔ credit card mr rapa sɛ yɛ lanchi ɛyi but maa mɔ credit card what you say captain well because your future is not in your credit card and your future Kofi Adoma is not in your structure your future is in your works and your heart.
Yeah.
My future
is in your works.
My works.
Your works. Works. That come from your heart.
Your works.
It's not credit card, mommy. It's your fear from 5 o'clock. Who will be one life and touching of the angels will penetrate across. What's an above one born? Above one is a capital. Now you're teaching ahead.
na ne nkɔnsɔnkɔnsɔn efiri ne nsa gu.
Captain, I see the free good. Kofi Adoma, I see the free good. It's your fear now. So be a Captain Corona from January. If you are met first, amen. Amen. By the manifestation of this voice, now I know and the bull Peter. Nan konson efrigo ye efia na oni pepitira so the dia betitira enipa enkonkonsa sam betitira why because already you have the touch of the angels.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Na ɔbɔfo no ka kyerɛ no sɛ
ɛna ɔbɔfo no ka kyerɛ no sɛ
wɔwɔbɔsoɔ
efia na yɛ dan ya efia na yɛ dan ya captain pɛ sɛ wotie asɛm wɔ yi because we had yame ba captain ti ha ɔsi efia na yɛ dan eti efia na wo ba yɛ dan ya wo ba yɛ dan ya because sɛ boaboso means Brasa Berim. What you walk, you are about to walk like an angel. No, angels are not loose. And to catch you, Peter said, why you too loose? The church, Captain, have been too loose for long. That is why the church and the nation was crippled. But from a running man, God has touched the church through angels.
That's right.
But the church and the nation about to fly. Some people and walk through another level.
What's our yes, sir?
No, yes,
Now,
sir.
above one, say, Flower Thomas.
Flower water. Like we are about to pour the buy young one. I'm so Kadima. Papa Yabi. Some band of Musobia said to Mankamanzi. The band the park is and I'm watching. I was watching environment. Why? Because dealing with angels, angels, when angels hear Juma, they be a crown at ideas or shake. Yeah. I'm the carriers in the head.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Tim, who will hide them? So I did not.
And now we are doing so can't pay.
Yeah. Me say that you have already. No,
Ah, okay.
yeah. 204. Because some of women have been 2024. Yeah, can have been. Well, some men can't some 2024. You have bought Amagana from 2018. For them to know, say, so when you're 24, you lose your life, you lose your future. What do you say?
What's in our answer? Flower Thomas.
Flower Thomas. If you are no man of a phantom of perfect, and the Babette Summer, Captain, I don't want to friend to my fufu. The better news one, and yet, jokers. The news one, good reports.
Was no Freddy in a cheap.
No, Freddy didn't.
As well, Nim say, and your buff for no Emma, a baby, no. If you say,
no, well, sir, confirm myself on pay, no one said them. To know him said, and look at that kind of tea. And no, people will be real names where you're person. It's people are going to make us out and go for women and your person. Yama, but you said the home.
also, as a way, if you say, also say,
no, him say, Asempa.
Wasn't a would try a young four would be kind. Anyone out of me, you know, anyone out of me as and will do that dear upon and what you call Kruno.
Oh, Bianca, what of you, Cassada Diapon? If it's so Bianca Cassada Diapon, Cassada Diapon, Obianca's iron gate, Obianca's iron gate, Cassia nothing, any iron gate, resistant this, any iron gate, and a quarter to a fear nothing, any iron gate, from north to south, a fear nothing, any iron gate, the gate of poverty, the gate of corona, the gate of sickness, the gate of failure, the gate of confusion, the gate of company, any company, any